As we age, maintaining youthful and vibrant skin becomes a top priority. Collagen, a crucial protein that provides strength and elasticity to our skin, plays a vital role in preserving its youthful appearance. While our bodies naturally produce collagen, its production decreases as we get older, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint stiffness. However, there is a secret to replenishing and boosting collagen levels naturally: eating foods rich in collagen. In this video, we will delve into the top 10 collagen-rich foods that can help combat signs of aging, promote skin health, and improve overall well-being, so keep watching till the end. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and affordable source of nutrients, including proline, an amino acid essential for collagen production. Proline plays a crucial role in stabilizing and strengthening collagen fibers in your skin, enhancing its firmness and elasticity. Eggs also contain other vital nutrients, such as vitamins A and E, biotin, and sulfur, which contribute to healthy skin. Vitamin A promotes skin cell turnover and regeneration, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from oxidative damage. Biotin aids in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails, while sulfur supports collagen synthesis. Adding eggs in your meals, whether scrambled, boiled, or in omelets, can provide your body with the necessary nutrients to support collagen production and maintain a youthful appearance. Number 2. Bone broth. One of the most well-known collagen-rich foods is bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, such as chicken, beef, or fish bones, for an extended period, typically 24 to 48 hours. This slow cooking process helps extract the collagen and other valuable nutrients from the bones and releases them into the broth. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to your skin, hair, and nails. By consuming bone broth regularly, you can supplement your body with collagen, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, bone broth is rich in amino acids like proline and glycine, which are essential for the production of collagen, making it an excellent choice for boosting your collagen levels. You can enjoy bone broth in various ways. It can be consumed as a comforting drink, used as a base for soups and stews, or even used as a marinade for meats and fish. The versatility of bone broth makes it an excellent addition to your daily diet, providing a wide range of health benefits beyond collagen. Number 3. Spirulina. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that is incredibly nutrient-dense. It contains all the essential amino acids and is particularly rich in 2 amino acids crucial for collagen production: proline and lysine. Proline helps your body produce collagen and promotes skin elasticity, while lysine enhances collagen stability. Spirulina also contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene, chlorophyll, and phycocyanin, which protects your skin cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Adding spirulina to your diet in the form of powdered supplements or by incorporating it into smoothies or snacks can stimulate collagen synthesis, leading to improved skin elasticity, reduced fine lines, and a radiant complexion. Before we proceed to the next collagen-rich food, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Berries. When it comes to supporting healthy skin, few foods are quite as magical as berries. Whether you prefer juicy blueberries, sweet strawberries, tart raspberries, or velvety blackberries, these colorful fruits are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps our bodies produce collagen. Our bodies cannot produce vitamin C on their own, making dietary sources all the more important. A single cup of strawberries provides almost all of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C, while a cup of raspberries or blackberries offers about 35% of the recommended daily dose. Additionally, studies have shown that a vitamin C-rich diet can work wonders for your skin, improving its appearance and reducing the presence of wrinkles. Number 5. Sardines. Sardines are another fantastic source of collagen. Unlike other sources, such as meat or poultry, you can enjoy the collagen-rich benefits of sardines by eating whole fish, including the skin, scales, and bones. If you prefer other fish like salmon, cooking it with the skin on and consuming it can also provide a collagen boost. Sardines are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids have potent anti-inflammatory properties, reducing skin inflammation and promoting a healthier complexion. Inflammation can contribute to the breakdown of collagen, leading to premature aging signs. Additionally, sardines contain collagen peptides, which provide the building blocks necessary for collagen synthesis in your body. Regularly consuming grilled sardines or adding them to salads and pasta dishes can help reduce inflammation, support skin firmness, and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Number 6. Organ meats. Organ meats such as liver, kidney, heart, and tongue can be highly beneficial for collagen production. These meats are rich in collagen as they come from the connective tissues of animals. Consuming organ meats provides your body with the necessary amino acids, including proline, glycine, and lysine, which are key components for collagen synthesis. Organ meats also offer a range of other nutrients like vitamins A and B, iron, zinc, and copper, which support skin health and overall well-being. Including organ meats in your diet, whether in stews or sautéed dishes, can contribute to collagen production and help maintain healthier-looking skin. Number 7. Citrus fruits. Another great way to boost your collagen levels naturally is by enjoying citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. These fruits aren't just tasty treats, they're also rich in vitamin C, a powerful nutrient that plays a key role in collagen production. Vitamin C acts as a catalyst, facilitating the creation of collagen in the body. To give your collagen levels a boost, try incorporating more citrus fruits into your diet. You can enjoy them in freshly squeezed juices, blended into smoothies, or added to salads for a burst of flavor. Additionally, try making a refreshing fruit salad with a variety of citrus fruits for a nutritious and delicious snack. Number 8. Shellfish. Shellfish, such as shrimp, lobster, crab, and mussels, are excellent sources of collagen, along with other essential nutrients. The shells and cartilage of these creatures contain a significant amount of collagen, promoting skin health and elasticity. Consuming shellfish provides your body with amino acids like glycine and proline, which are vital for collagen synthesis. Shellfish are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including zinc, copper, and selenium, which support collagen production and protect your skin from oxidative stress. Enjoying steamed, grilled, or sautéed shellfish dishes can help boost your collagen intake and contribute to youthful and radiant skin. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic is a versatile ingredient that not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also offers numerous health benefits. When it comes to collagen production, garlic contains sulfur compounds, including allicin, which has been shown to stimulate the production of collagen in the body. By promoting collagen synthesis, garlic can help improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and promote overall skin health. Garlic also has antioxidant properties, which help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can contribute to premature aging and the breakdown of collagen fibers. So including garlic in your diet, whether raw or cooked, can provide a collagen-boosting effect and contribute to healthier-looking skin. Number 10. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, chard, and collard greens are excellent sources of nutrients that support collagen production and promote skin health. These greens are particularly rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is necessary for the conversion of proline and lysine into hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine, which are essential for collagen formation. Consuming leafy greens that are high in vitamin C can help support the production of collagen fibers, improving skin elasticity and reducing the signs of aging. Additionally, leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, including beta-carotene and lutein, which protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants help maintain a youthful and vibrant complexion. Including leafy greens, whether in salads, stir-fries, or smoothies, can provide an abundance of collagen-boosting nutrients to support healthy and radiant skin. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.